the occasion of Tobacco Day, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang organized an awareness rally to spread the message against tobacco use. The program began with a morning assembly and a short reflection by Father Jeffrey Kakongo, who explained Aristotle's philosophy on three kinds of friends in life. After the morning assembly, Sir Frederick Mashley guided the students for the rally, accompanied by all the teachers. The rally started from school compound and proceeded through the street of Rangblang Sosanian. Before stopping at Rangblang station, there Dr. Benjamin delivered a short speech on harmful effects of tobacco and encouraged everyone to avoid smoking because smoking kills.
Say no! No tobacco! Uduma! On em Yaduma! Say no tobacco! On em Yaduma! Uduma!
Di rumah, balik di rumah. Dah kacing bertenang yang kiparlok. Hai me, super cangkai, tercelah. Dan apa yang jopi kena sekolah di rumah? Lada don kiba di rumah. Ngakwa aban ong yapi ba ngamtarai ba pikwa hi ban di rumah. Henrei, pi bertenang yang kiwei kibalarang ba. Pi ong ba lada di rumah. Kam sengorang ba kam sokan. Kadai dem. Tengok Henrei, pidai bantip ya kacing kita jong rumah. Kidonro kiba ong ba. Halo. Kidonro kiba ong ba. Kidu rumah tangha kepuar bagi sengau kemen. Kisngau tenat gile kemen. Bat kidonro kiba ong ba kidi rumah tangha kepuar bagi sengau si. Kadai dem. Kidonro kiba sedang bendi rumah. Lane ban penon kami rumah. Dah kabar ki ya ki kerja advertisement haki TV, haki mobile. Dengan keren direct baca kacing kita jong rumah. Ama keren ni kacing kita jong rumah kata ya sibun ka ya ni ki preu. Kam dai tang ya ka jingko jingkia ndrei ka ta ru ya ka yo ka kot. Dengan keren